Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Customer Buying Habits Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps you understand customer purchasing behavior by analyzing deal sizes, buying frequency, and sales cycle timelines, enabling more personalized, data-driven sales strategies. You can track how frequently each customer purchases, the average deal size, their latest order date, and how long it typically takes to close a sale. This helps you identify high-value customers, spot dormant accounts, and prioritize leads based on recent activity and open code values. With these insights, you can tailor outreach efforts, forecast demand more accurately, and build stronger, longer-lasting customer relationships.